Unlock the power of your happy hormones. Naturally, gently, joyfully, the joy inside you. What if I told you that happiness isn't something far away? What if joy isn't something you have to chase, but something you can awaken from inside? Think about the last time you felt truly happy. Maybe it was a hug from someone you love, a sunny morning walk, or that little burst of pride when you finished something, even small. Hold that moment in your heart. That feeling wasn't random. It came from your brain, your body, your chemistry. You see, happiness is not a mystery. It's science, beautifully built into you. And today, you're going to meet the 4 amazing chemicals that shape your mood, your energy, and your joy. Dopamine, the joy of accomplishment. Serotonin, the calm of contentment. Endorphins, the relief and lightness after effort. Oxytocin, the warmth of love and connection. Together, they are your happy hormones. They are your natural emotional support system. And here's the best part. You can boost them. Easily, naturally, with tiny actions that make a big impact. Let's explore them, one by one, with stories, reflections, and small steps that can change everything. Dopamine, the joy of accomplishment. Dopamine is your brain's way of cheering you on. It's the chemical behind motivation, reward, and energy. It's released every time you achieve something, no matter how small. Quick reflection. What's one small thing you've done today that made you feel a little proud? Even brushing your teeth or showing up here counts. Say it out loud. Feel that? That's dopamine waking up. Mini challenge. Write down one small goal for today. Something tiny, doable, and kind. Now say, I will feel great when I do this. You just sparked dopamine with intention. Dopamine boosters. Break big tasks into small steps. Celebrate small wins, stickers, smiles, or happy dances. Listen to motivating music. Eat protein-rich foods, eggs, nuts, fish. Move your body, stretch, walk, dance. Create something. Draw, cook, write, sleep well. Rest recharges dopamine. Story. Alex's morning wins. Alex was stuck in a fog, unemployed, anxious, unsure. So he made a rule. 1 win before 9 a.m. Some mornings it was making his bed. Other days, texting a kind message. Each time his brain rewarded him with hope. Dopamine helped him rise again. Tiny wins turned into big changes. Serotonin, the calm of contentment. While dopamine is the spark, serotonin is your steady light. It brings calm, emotional balance, and peaceful joy. It's the feeling of a quiet walk, watching the sky, or simply being okay with yourself. Let's breathe together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Now, smile just a little. Feel that shift? That's serotonin starting to glow. Serotonin boosters. Get sunlight for 10-15 minutes. Do gentle movement, yoga, walking, stretching. Eat foods with tryptophan, eggs, oats, tofu. Pair protein with healthy carbs. Keep a gratitude journal. Practice mindfulness or prayer. Connect with nature. Touch the earth. Listen to rain. Story, Priya and the Winter Blues. Winter always brought sadness to Priya. She missed the sun, the colors, the energy. One day she started walking at sunrise. She added a bright lamp to her desk, and she wrote 3 things she was grateful for. Every day. The shift was slow, but real. Serotonin helped her see beauty again, even in the gray. Endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. Endorphins are your inner warriors. They show up when you move, laugh, cry, or stretch. They ease pain, reduce stress, and bring lightness to your soul. Try this now. Stand up, stretch your arms overhead. Twist gently left, then right. Smile, even if it's fake. There you go. Endorphins activated. Endorphin boosters. Exercise, even a short walk. Laugh. With friends, funny videos, silly. Memories, eat spicy food or dark chocolate. Dance, wildly and freely. Cry if you need to, tears are healing. Take warm baths or showers. Use heat pads or cozy blankets. Endorphin challenge, tell someone a funny story from your life. Laughter shared is endorphins doubled. Story, Carlos and the first run. Carlos had back pain, stress, and low energy. He joined a running group, just to try. The first session? Hard. But suddenly, at minute 20, something shifted. A light feeling, a smile, a spark. That was endorphins. And from then on, he didn't run for fitness. He ran for freedom. Oxytocin, the bond of love and connection. Oxytocin is the love hormone. It's released through trust, closeness, kindness, and touch. It helps you feel safe, seen, and connected to others and to yourself. Hug yourself. Now wrap your arms around your body. Hold for 20 seconds. Whisper, I am worthy of love. I am doing my best. Your brain doesn't know it's not someone else. The oxytocin still flows. Oxytocin boosters. Hug someone for at least 20 seconds. Cuddle a pet or baby. Say, I appreciate you to someone. Look into someone's eyes. While talking, do something kind, even small. Practice loving kindness meditation. Connection challenge. Send someone a message. Just thinking of you, you matter to me. That one message could lift both of your days. Story, Mia finds belonging. Mia moved to a new city, new job, no friends. She felt lost until she chose to open up. She volunteered. She joined a hiking group. She adopted a dog. And slowly she built connection. Oxytocin helped her feel safe again. She didn't just survive, she bloomed. Putting it all together, let's bring all four together in one day. You wake up, stretch. Endorphins. You walk your dog in the sun. Serotonin plus oxytocin. You complete a small task. Dopamine. You call a friend and laugh. Endorphins plus oxytocin. That's not just a good day, that's hormonal harmony. That's real joy, built naturally. Your daily prescription for joy. Let's turn this into a daily checklist. 10 steps to feel good. Every day, move your body, walk, dance, stretch. Step into light, sunlight or bright lamp. Smile, even for 5 seconds, hug someone or yourself. Laugh out loud. Real or remembered express love. Kindness or gratitude. Do something small and creative. Reflect on one good thing each day. Rest deeply at night. Reach out. Don't isolate. This isn't a rule, it's a rhythm. A way of gently reminding your body. You are safe. You are alive. You are loved. Final words. Light up from within. You are not broken. You are beautifully wired for joy. The smiles, the peace, the laughter, they're not far away. They are inside you, waiting to be awakened. Not by chasing perfection, but by choosing presence, kindness, and love. When life feels heavy, return to the basics. Breathe, move, laugh, love, because inside you, there is light. And now, you know how to turn it on. Thank you for joining this joyful journey today. If this episode helped you feel good, even just a little, share it with someone. Let's spread the science of joy together. Until next time. Stay curious, stay connected, and keep those happy hormones flowing.